After business risks come success, but risks must be taken. I'm giving the idea in the first step that a person achieves success by taking many risks. No person in the world can achieve success without taking risks. For example, I'm giving an explanation. When a person goes to complete his work, he may face any loss. It is acceptable to work with caution, but many times he faces too much to avoid these risks. People take various steps just as insurance. Success in business is especially to the fact that successful people prove it in their work. Working at the right time and taking the right initiative is called time evaluation. As a rule of thumbs, 5% is a low margin, 10% is a healthy margin, 20% is a high margin, but a one size fits all approach is not the best way to set goal for your business profitability. First, some companies are inherently low margin and high margin ventures. They have high expenses. For instance, grocery stores and retailer, they have high expenses. They need to purchase inventory, employ corporate employees and labor worker, run bigger facilities as a sales grow. But low margin goods like food and some consumer product are usually easier to sell, but a highly competitive market. Leather product like between ladies bags, men's wallet and belt, they can also create high margin products. Average profit margin by industry and company. Your profit margin can tell you how will your business performance compared to the others market players in your company. Although there is no magic number, a good profit margin depends on your growth goals. We have completely the net profit margin for common business sector. Industry typically target profit margin. Look, retailers, retailers 2% or 6%. Restaurant and dining 3% or 6%. Professional services 15% or 25%. Manufacturing 10% or 15%. Health care 10% or 20%. Technology 15% or 20%. Agriculture 3% or 5%. Real estate 20% or 13%. Construction 5% or 10%. Ways to improve your profit margin. Adjust your pricing strategy. Experiment with different product pricing method like value-based pricing or cost plus pricing. You may be surprised by how product pricing impact demands. Finally, a good profit margin depends on your growth goals. You need to finance a large equipment purchase this quarter or want to expand your services. You will need to increase your margin. You plan to take on investor soon. Nurso Exporter, a reputable leather product manufacturers known for our exceptional quality and innovative design. We are eager to explore potential opportunity for Nurso Exporter. We have closely studied many leather company branded identity and values. We are confident that our collection aligns well with your target market and customer preferences. If you have any question and thoughts, subscribe here, share this content with other entrepreneurs. Take care. Bye bye.